Hello, today we're going to prove the area of a trapezoid looking at the formula. A for area equals 1/2 h, the height of the trapezoid, times base 1 plus base 2. So, the first thing that we need to note is we have only one set of parallel lines, the two bases, and then the two legs have to have different slopes. And the height is the distance between base 1 and base 2. So, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to prove it by doubling it, alright, which is a key concept, because in the formula we're going to take half of our final product, the product being base times height of the parallelogram. To create that parallelogram, we take the trapezoid, we double it, and rotate it 180 degrees, and line it up. And we have created a parallelogram because our two opposite sides are parallel. This one was an extension from before, and we have the same slope. The interior line right here will add up to 180. It's basically the negative slope of it. Our height remained the same. So our height of the parallelogram is h. And our base was extended. It's actually b1 plus b2. You can see that because the lines b1 plus b2 are going to be the new base, top and bottom, for the parallelogram. And you can line up the second trapezoid this way or that way, and you will still have the same base, base 1 plus base 2. So, we only wanted half of it, so it should be area equals 1/2 times height times base 1 plus base 2. And there's our proof. Let's show that a different way. The same formula, we only want half of it, and we're going to double it, so that's why I said we only want half of it. We're going to look at the height in the base, and we're going to make it into a rectangle. So we doubled it, we flipped it. We're going to take apart the second trapezoid, line it up, and we have the same height as before. Our initial height being h. You can see that right here. That's the height of our rectangle. And the base is the same. It's going to be an extension. It's base 1 plus base 2. And you can see that creates 4 right angles, and it's our rectangle. The same length that we saw before, base 1 plus base 2, is right there. And we only want half of it, so we take half of it away, and we'll have the same formula, 1/2 times h times base times height, or b1 plus b2. Now the last proof is a little bit different. We're going to take our trapezoid and we're going to make it into a parallelogram. We're going to take half of the height. We're going to divide it in two, rotate it, and create a parallelogram. And the base same base that we've been using. 1/2 base times height. I'm sorry, 1/2 h times base 1 plus base 2. I'm thinking of a triangle. And you can rearrange it. It doesn't have to be this way. It can be the other direction as well, but still creates a parallelogram in which you would take 1/2 of the height, of the initial height, and then multiply it by that nice longer base, base 1 plus base 2. And there's our proof. Thank you for watching.